Hello everyone, now I would like to explain to you the working principle of this machine. When the worker finishes the operation here, and the drilling and screw tightening machines have also completed their tasks, the worker only needs to press the switch, and the machine will automatically move to the left. Press the move key like this and the work platform moves left or right. When the worker finishes unloading the profile parts on the left workstation and completes the assembly of new parts, they press the move button, and the workstation moves to the right. When the workstation reaches the home position, drilling is done first, then screw assembly. The drilling heads drill holes 1, 2, 3, and for first. Once a safe distance is reached, screw assembly begins. Once a safe distance is reached, the screw assembling heads begin assembling screws, while the drilling heads continue operating simultaneously. The 2 front and 2 rear working heads of the machine operate simultaneously while maintaining a safe distance. The drilling head focuses on drilling, while the screw assembly head handles screw tightening. After completing all drilling tasks, the drilling head automatically moves to the end position. After completing its tasks, the drilling head moves to the end position and waits for the screw assembly head to finish assembling the screws. After all screws are assembled one by one, the screw tightening head automatically returns to the home position. The screw assembly head automatically returns to the home position. Then the drilling head also returns to the home position, and the machine waits for the operator's instructions. The head returns to the home position, waiting for manual assembly of the new profile. Once the worker has assembled the aluminum profile parts and presses the start button, the work platform immediately moves to the right. After the heads complete drilling and screw assembly, the platform moves to the right, and the worker unloads the profile parts. This workflow repeats continuously. The head is adjustable, capable of handling products with widths ranging from 1000 to 1500 m. Currently, the maximum processing width is 1500 mm, and the minimum is 1000 mm. This is the design of the profile part fixture. The fixing of this side is through this baffle. Here is where the holes need to be drilled and the screws assembled. This avoids the installation location. This is the left and right fixing blocks. The internal spacing is secured with fixed blocks, making it adaptable to different products. This satisfies different spacings and fixations in different directions. The other direction of the product also has a fixed block, which is fixed in all 4 directions. The fixture is designed in this way to be compatible with different products. If you need to modify the different spacing, move these fixed blocks. By adjusting these for screws, the spacing of different widths can be adjusted. The current width of this fixture is 1500 mm. There are 2 support blocks in the middle. The current width is 1500 mm. Next, we will examine how this fixture meets the assembly requirements for products of varying widths. Next, we will examine how this fixture meets the assembly requirements for products of varying widths. The 2 in the middle are supporting frames, and the width can be adjusted. The front fixed blocks are movable and can be adjusted inward to reduce the spacing. When the fixed blocks are reduced to their minimum, a product with a width of 1000 mm can be placed. This is the tightening screw assembly part. This is the nozzle of the screw. Here is the slot. This slot can adjust the distance up and down to support different spacings. Then this motor position can also adjust the spacing up and down. Up and down debugging spacing here. This is a double drill assembly module. You can adjust the spacing of different widths. When adjusting the different spacing, we need to loosen the middle fixing nut. When loosening the nut, the larger the upward rotation spacing, the smaller the downward rotation spacing. After completion, fix the nut on it.